I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. Today I'm going to show you how to install GRB 111064, which is the glass run channel for a 64 to 66 GM pickup. Today we're going to be putting it on this 65 Sema show truck. On a difficulty scale of 1 to 5, 5 being the most difficult, it's about a 3. To ease the installation of this product, we recommend that you drop the door glass. Tools you need are weather strip installation tool. I'm going to go ahead and install a new glass run. Now you're going to want to start this end, the short end from the actual slots here, and this is going to go out toward the division post right here, and we'll work your way this way, and it'll give you a good starting point. To install it, you're going to squeeze it together like this and then install it into the track. You want to push it tight against the division post and work your way back. Take your extra, slide it into the door. Keep working your way down. We put the extra down in the door, and you're going to do the same thing, pinch it together and push it into the metal channel in here, so reach into the door. Just work your way all the way down. We suggest that you use a weather strip installation tool, and with a rounded nylon end, you go in and you just make sure it's seated correctly all the way.